We are flying from Paris to Casablanca on Air France's A320. Let's go give you a tour.
We're checking for our flight time right from the hotel, 7:05 Casablanca 2F, and boarding check-in is number 5. That's the beauty of having these screens in airport hotels. By the way, if you're interested in our airport hotel, make sure you come back and check. But now let's head on to our boarding gate. It's about 11 minutes to boarding. Our A320, if I have this correct. If you're interested in Terminal 2E or 2F at Charles de Gaulle, trust me, it's confusing. Make sure you go and check our video out. I mean, I love walking airports, and we got to experience both Terminal 2E and 2F. Both of them are incredible, well-designed, beautiful, but there is confusion because you have to go to one and walk to the other one, go through passport control. So if you're curious and you have a flight out of those two, make sure you check our video. Boarding has started. We are group 5, waiting for Alia to come back. Khizr's awake. Here we go. We are all the way at the end, group 5. We're boarding from gate L27. This is the 2E terminal. Khizr's coming next. Okay, let's keep moving.
Just realized what's happening.
We are going to our 6th continent in the last 8 months.
Oh, I didn't even think
And
of that.
first time, technically our second time, but first time to Africa. We've been to Tenerife, which is an island off of Africa. First time for us. I know I can check my boarding pass or something, but I thought this was an A320.
I think it is. I think I see an A320 there.
So when we sit down, we can confirm it. But typically from the side, I'm able to tell it's definitely not a Boeing. It's an Airbus. So it's just so small that I get confused if this is the smaller 220, which I don't think it is.
Maybe we have flown way too many wide-body aircrafts in the recent times that you have
I've forgotten.
forgotten what an A320 looks or feels like.
Yeah, I really like the glass jet bridge. The pilot's getting ready. And here we are about to enter our second Air France flight ever. The first one was an A380 from New York to Charles de Gaulle.
Thank you.
Let's check out the cabin from here. This is the regular economy. And this is the extended.
All right, now that we are seated in our A320, let's start the seat tour. On the back of your seat, you can see there's no screen, but there is a cup holder, which calls for some drinks. Right here is your tray table. Oh, it's nice and cute, and it does fold out. This is your seat back pocket with a air sickness bag, and there's some extra cute little pockets for your phone maybe, and the safety card.
So the mystery solved. It's an A320, not a 2021 -200 from Paris to Casablanca. I thought they would be using a 21, but it's an A320.
Your usual safety instructions. It's a cute little card.
Yeah, I like it. I like the size of it.
You have 2 USB ports on each side. Now, these 3 seats come with 4 USB-A ports. And as for the legroom, you have good amount of space. Again, with your backpacks, I do still have a lot of space to stretch my legs.
And both Ali and I are 5'8", and you can check out seat pitch. That's a pretty decent seat pitch. We are used to Frontier or Spirit A320s, and the seat pitch is like here, but here you have a lot more. So if you're up to like 6 feet, you can sit here pretty comfortably. Anything over 6, you would have to like kind of spread and go onto the sides.
This morning, please put your small hand luggage and there's a seat in front of you in order to leave space for trolleys in overhead compartments. Thank you for your cooperation.
In Europe, we call them carry-on bags. They call them trolleys in Europe.
Yeah. Now, as for the seat comfort, it is slightly thin, but it's quite comfortable. It's a fabric seat, and the fabric feels like a jeans fabric.
Yes, it feels like jeans.
Interesting. Moving on to the armrest, it's quite tiny but functional.
Yeah, and it's not one of those floppy ones.
Yeah,
so
perfect.
we like that.
I like it. Now, of course, there is no recline on the seat, and there is no headrest, but I like this little touch by Air France.
Passez la tête dans l'encolure, attachez et tirez la sangle. Pass it over your head, clip and adjust the strap. Une fois à l'extérieur de l'avion, gonflez votre gilet
We
environ sur la
are
poignée.
taking off from Charles de Gaulle International Airport. There is an Air France 777 that just landed. You're gonna see that in a second. There we go. Wow. And it's liftoff. 2 hours and 37 minutes to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may leave your seat once the fasten seatbelt signs has been switched off. You may now use your in-seat USB socket to recharge your electronic device.
Alright, here we are in the air. Alia and the boys are all asleep. We had a 2 hour of sleep when we were in Paris for a very quick layover. The original plan for Paris was to land in Paris and then get a rental car and drive to Brussels and a couple of cities in Germany and Luxembourg. And that changed when we were in Air Canada all the way to Sydney last month and realized that if we change this trip and visit Casablanca and Marrakesh in Morocco, then it would be our 6th continent in the past 8 months. Last August is when I had a stroke and was almost debating whether we can continue traveling, and luckily I recovered from the stroke, had a heart surgery since then to close the hole in the heart, potential cause for the stroke, and here we are now traveling to our 6th continent, the country of Morocco, our first time in like mainland Africa. I know this is Northern Africa, but eventually we will make our way down south because we do want to do a safari at one point. So if you like travel and you like following some random strangers around the world, make sure you subscribe and follow us around. We're gonna sit back and enjoy this. So here we are, brought some sandwiches from home. We are like about an hour into our flight and they are serving drinks. So I noticed they are handing out sandwiches like there. So let's see what kind of sandwiches they are offering. So even though Khiz and Isa are sleeping, we got their sandwiches so when they wake up they can try olives, tomato, and pan de champagne. So like a nice little vegetarian sandwich. Was not expecting this, so I am pleasantly surprised and happy, and I like the cookie. Waiting for our drink, then we'll enjoy this tomato olive sandwich and our cookie, between our home sandwich, their sandwich, cookie, and Alia got me this bag of potato chips from Pakistan last month. After we came back from Sydney, Australia, she had to go attend a wedding in Pakistan alone. You can see 200 rupees only. That means it's less than $1, like maybe 80 cents. Alright, so what do we got? We got a cup of orange juice. They do not have sodas, just orange juice, coffee, tea, and water. Those are the 4 choices. So we got orange juice to go with our meal. Now inside, this is what the sandwich looks like. It's like a paste of tomato and olive. Now Khizr got a different sandwich. This has cheese. It's bread with seeds, Emmental cheese, I don't know what that is, or Emmental cheese, and dairy specialty. So this is a cheese sandwich. And the first sandwich, I actually really liked it. The olive and tomato, that was delicious. I'm gonna go back to watching Clarkson's farm, and we will talk about this flight when we get to Casablanca. Here is a quick view outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Casablanca at Mohammed V Airport. It is 8:45 a.m. local time. We thank you for flying with Air France and its SkyTeam partners. Wish you a pleasant day. Thank you.
Alright, we are here trying to wake up Issa. What a quick flight with those sandwiches. And here we are in our 6th continent. Welcome to Morocco, guys. Overall, the flight was great. Air France staff was very nice and was not expecting some sandwiches, and that cookie was delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us on this adventure to our 6th continent. We are in Casablanca. Make sure you come back, check all of our videos in Casablanca. We'll even take a train to Marrakesh tomorrow. On that lovely note, we're gonna catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.
Bagages tels que sac à main et sac à dos sous le siège devant vous afin de laisser l'espace dans les compartiments bagages pour les valises. Merci pour votre coopération.
Désarmement des toboggans et vérification de la porte opposée
Welcome to Morocco, our 6th continent, Allah.